Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Pirillo, not AI, and this is my view in fewer than two. AI is here to stay. I've been using it to make models that you could 3D print. I 3D print them as well. I generate these images in Midjourney and then process them in HueForge. Really fun, really easy. If you want to get those, as well as others that I've made, you can check out printablesOrThings.com. Thanks to AI. AI made those images happen, but AI can make bad things happen too. Check this out. Shoddy self-published guidebooks, which appear to be compiled with the help of generative AI and promoted via deceptive reviews, are proliferating on Amazon. So this is the thing. Technology makes things easy. And that's great when it's us. Like, I can easily generate art. Like, I can make things like this happen. But spammers, people with nefarious intent, are going to use it and use it to hurt you. Maybe not, physically hurt you, but people are being deceived into believing that these guides, and this is just one example, right? Imagine AI, I don't think this is a stretch of the imagination, touching everything that is sold out there. That can add up, and not in a good way. Marketplaces may benefit because, of course, they take a transaction fee, but the amount of junk that's already out there, not accounting for these push button processes, is already overwhelming. So now that spammers have access to these tools, what's going to happen next? Yeah, you're possibly going to get duped. Yeah, you're probably going to get cheated in one way. Maybe you're not going to lose money, but you're going to lose something else. So I understand the conversations that need to happen around AI for both the good that it can do, but also the not so good that it can do. So here's my question. Do you think that you could easily be fooled by AI or not?